Hello and welcome to Romeo and Juliet, Section 5, Lesson 1. Welcome to the CWT. Today you will prepare to write by reviewing the culminating writing task, the text theme understanding tool, and the film theme understanding tool. You will complete the Analyzing the Prompt section of the culminating task tool. You will answer the questions in the brainstorm section of the culminating task tool with a partner. And you will form a thesis statement based on the prompt. For this lesson, you will need your culminating task tool, your text theme understanding tool, and your film theme understanding tool. You will also need the Connecting Ideas reference guide. Let's look at our culminating task prompt. How is a theme developed in the text Romeo and Juliet and in a film version of the play? Choose a theme from the play. Compare and contrast the way in which the theme is developed in the play and the movies. Write a literary analysis in which you state your response and logically and sufficiently support your response with claims. Here are our learning targets for this lesson. Can you compare and contrast the way a theme is developed in Romeo and Juliet and a film version of the text? Can you form a thesis statement in response to a writing prompt? You are going to prepare to write by previewing the culminating task for Romeo and Juliet. This will help you understand the task. Before you begin the guidebook unit, you are going to examine the culminating task prompt. We're also going to explore the central question for the unit. How can adaptations or reproductions enhance or detract from the theme of a text? You are going to express your understanding through the culminating task in this section of the lesson, of the unit. You're going to access the culminating task tool. You will read the culminating task prompt and complete the Preview the Culminating Task Prompt section of the culminating task tool. You will have 5 minutes to complete this activity. You will now prepare to write by analyzing the culminating task for Romeo and Juliet. Before you develop your work, you must first analyze the prompt. Using the culminating task tool, you will read the culminating task and complete the Analyze the Culminating Task Prompt section of the culminating task tool. You are going to be able to express your understanding that you've built throughout the guidebook unit by completing the culminating task. You will have 10 minutes to complete this activity. You are going to prepare to write by posing and answering questions about the prompt. This will help you refine your understanding of the prompt. Let's look at the prompt. You are going to write a literary analysis in which you state your response logically and sufficiently support your response with claims. You will support your claims with textual evidence, including direct quotations with parenthetical citations, as well as specific references from the film. You will use correct and effective words, phrases, syntax, usage, and mechanics to clearly communicate your analysis. In doing so, you are going to choose a theme from the play Romeo and Juliet. You will compare and contrast the way in which that theme is developed in one of the following movies: Romeo and Juliet, directed by Franco Zeffirelli; Romeo plus Juliet, directed by Baz Luhrmann; or West Side Story, directed by Steven Spielberg. In Nearpod, you are going to answer the questions on the slide. You will also ask any unanswered questions to ensure you understand the task question. The questions that you'll be answering in Nearpod are: what does it mean to compare and contrast? What must you include in your culminating task to answer all parts of the prompt? You will have 5 minutes to answer these questions in Nearpod.